Samsung's flagship series comes with an acronym S. It might stand for Super, it might stand for Supreme, but as we know it, it is S22 Plus that we are unboxing today. Hey everyone, this is Dhruv from Tech Insider India, and let's unbox this premium smartphone by the brand. Now of course this box is very lean, it's like it's on diet. The fact is that the smartphone does not get a charger inside the box. As for the features, the smartphone runs on Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. The S22 Plus is available in two variants. There is a variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and then there's another variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Now let's unbox the smartphone and check it out for ourselves. Opening of the box, the first thing that we get inside the box is the smartphone itself. The colorway that we have available with ourselves is the Phantom Black. Let me keep it aside and we will come back to the smartphone. Let's further dig inside the box. Here's a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable that you get inside the box. If you have a charger lying around, you can simply plug it in and charge up the smartphone. Finally, here is some paperwork, and I do suggest that you go through them at least once. We also get a SIM ejector tool. So that was the unboxing experience. Let's check out the product for ourselves. Now let's quickly unwrap the product and then we will go through all the ports and everything that we get to see on it. Phone is fairly lightweight irrespective of the size that it has. The screen on top is a 6.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display that comes with a max refresh rate of 120Hz. As for the ports, now here is the USB Type-C port, of course, using which you will be able to charge up the smartphone. The smartphone's battery capacity is 4500 mAh and it does support fast charging with 45-watt charge support. And now here is the SIM tray. Let's quickly eject it and see what's going on in there. So opening up the SIM card tray, it features two slots, so you can insert two nano SIMs inside it. Then here is the speaker grill. On the right hand side, here's the power unlock and lock button and the volume rockers. Let's quickly boot it up and look at its beautiful display. So now that we are inside the smartphone, the display is very beautiful as expected. It comes with HDR10 Plus support, and the smartphone right now is running on Android 12. Let me quickly show you that. Yeah, so it's running on Android 12. Now before closing this video, let me quickly run through the cameras of the smartphone. The main camera is a 50 megapixel sensor, the telephoto sensor is a 10 megapixel unit, and the ultra wide sensor is a 12 megapixel unit. For your selfies, the front camera is a 10 megapixel shooter. Also a quick touch of the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, it's fairly quick. So guys, that was the quick unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I hope you found this video helpful.